Are you struggling with time this Christmas season? I'm going to show you a simple Christmas card that you can make in less than 10 minutes. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from thebeardedhousewife.com. This is the channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I want to show you a really quick, simple project that will get your Christmas cards done and out of the way during this really stressful time. It uses the print and cut option on your cutting machine. Let me show you what it looks like. It kind of has a retro feel to it. It measures about 4.5 inches square. I do include an envelope with the download as well. So let's head over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the free file, and then we'll import it into Design Space and we'll get started making it. Alright, well, you're here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head over to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my file library, you can click Get Access, and you will fill out a form and you'll be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to head to Enter the Library. You'll type in the password, hit Enter, and then you'll be brought to all of the files. Alright, now that we've been brought to all of the files, you're going to head up to the Holly Jolly Christmas card. Right here at the top, you're going to click that hyperlink, and then you will download it to your computer, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space and we can get started. Alright, I have Cricut Design Space open and I have a new project here. So we're going to head over to Upload, then Upload Image, and click Browse. We're going to find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and for Cricut Design Space you're going to want to import the PNG file. Click Open. When you get to this screen, you're going to want to highlight the complex option and hit continue. Now for good measure, I always click this little wand here in the top left corner and then click anywhere where there's the background area, that's the grayed boxy image area, and hit continue. Make sure that you have print then cut image selected and then hit save. Now highlight that image and hit insert image, and it will bring it into our canvas. There we go. First thing you're going to want to do is resize the image, so do not unlock the image at all and change the height to 4.5 inches. Hit enter and it will resize the card. There we go. Now we can head over to the Shapes panel, click that, and then select the score line. And we're going to want to change the height of this as well to 4.5 inches. Bring that over on top of our card image. It doesn't have to be exact right here because we're going to highlight both layers and go up to the Align panel and select Center. This will center it both horizontally and vertically. Now we can highlight both layers again and select Attach in the Layers panel. And now we can head up to make it. This might take just a second for it to show a preview in the matte preview. There we go. And you can see the black line indicating that this is a print then cut image. Hit continue. And first thing that you need to do is send it to your printer. I always make sure that the Add Bleed option is selected, and I'm going to go ahead and print. Now that it's been printed out, we're going to select the base material so that the Cricut knows what thickness of cardstock we're going to use. I'm going to click the medium cardstock option, and then I'm going to change the pressure to more, just a personal preference. And now we can head over and we can start cutting it out. Okay, for this project we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, our printed out cardstock image, our scoring wheel, and our scraper to help press the fold. I'm going to go ahead and load this into our machine and get it cut out. Now that the card has been cut out, to remove it from the mat, you're going to want to remove the mat away from the card other than peeling the cardstock off of the mat. This helps with curling. And now all that we have to do is gently press along the fold line. And I'm going to take my scraper and run that along the score line. That creates a nice crisp fold, and your card is done. You can open it up and put in your sentiment, and it is ready to send. Easy peasy. How cool are these? I love the retro feel of it. You know, I'm old, so I love all things retro, all the nostalgia and all that kind of stuff. I'm sure that a lot of you feel that way too. I'm not calling you old, don't worry. I love how quick and simple the print and cut feature makes these cards, because you can just print off a bunch of them on your computer and then just set up, if you have several mats, you can just cut and cut and cut so that you don't have to worry about gluing and all that kind of stuff. Like I said, I do have an envelope that's included with the download, so make sure that you make that one as well if you make this file. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you do, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so that you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have a lot of card tutorials, a lot of Christmas things, so make sure that you do check that out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. Have a happy holiday. I will see you later. Bye.